Question 6 is about germinating experiment. The experimental results showing that the left-hand side, this rises up. It means that the pressure at the left-hand side drops. It means the number of gas molecule on the left-hand side drops during germination. And the right-hand side is just control experiment. So what's the use of potassium hydroxide? First, you have to remember it will absorb CO2. So in the germination, you have two paths. Okay, either it is anaerobic, just produce CO2, or it is aerobic, it absorbs O2 and produce CO2. So which one is possible? Think about it. Okay, if it is anaerobic, only carbon dioxide is produced and being absorbed, so no change, right? No change of gas molecule on the left-hand side. But if it is aerobic reaction, oxygen is absorbed, and the carbon dioxide produced is also absorbed. So fewer oxygen and on the left-hand side. So the pressure will be lowered. So from this conclusion, we can say that the germination of seed is aerobic respiration, and the answer is C. Thank you.